Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video we're going to talk about why the price of an option can jump so suddenly and then quickly come back down again, often leaving the contract holder unable to get out of their options position. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, please be sure to smash the like button because it really helps to grow the family. And if you're interested in getting 2 free stocks, with the second one being valued up to $1,400 just for making a small deposit on Webull, check out the referral link down below in the description. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, too often do I get screenshots from people who are holding a contract and suddenly the value of the contract jumps up, but for some reason they're unable to sell out of the contract. And throughout the remainder of this video, we're going to go over exactly why that happens. Now first, we're going to go over the 2 reasons that the price of a contract can randomly spike. And the first reason is just that demand for the contract has gone up, and this can be caused by a sudden sharp movement of the underlying stock price, or also things like news or events where people are anticipating big movement of the stock price. And usually if this is the problem, there is no issue selling out because there is a high liquidity. And what liquidity is, for those of you who don't know, is basically how easy it is to turn your contracts into cash. Usually the higher the open interest, the higher the liquidity, which brings us to the second reason that the price of a contract may suddenly spike, and that is because there is low liquidity and nobody wants it. And when somebody already holding the contract dramatically raises the price, that dramatically alters the contract value on Robinhood, because the way that Robinhood values contracts is it shows the midway price. And what the midway price is the difference between the bid and the ad price. So if there was an ask price of $2 and a bid price of $1, the contract value on Robinhood would be $1.50. This is mainly just an issue trading options on Robinhood, because every other broker that I know of, they show the bid and ask price and they don't really mess with the midway price. So a lot of people on Robinhood who are newer to trading options, they get fooled by this and they get stuck buying options contracts at some jacked up prices. This is a form of market manipulation, and some people really like to take advantage of others with this. But there are a couple of things that you can do to keep this from happening whenever you decide to buy a contract. And that's going to be by first checking the bid and ask price and seeing how wide the spread is. And to see the bid and ask price on Robinhood, all you have to do is look right under the limit price on the buying screen, and there it is. And secondly, if you click on the little arrow right next to the bid and ask price on that same screen, you will get a bunch more information, and on this screen you can find the open interest. These are the 2 main spots that you need to look at to make sure that you're not getting played on Robinhood. If you see a bid price on a contract for 1 penny a share and you see a contract value of 55 cents a share, don't buy that contract unless you plan on keeping it. You will not be able to get out. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, please be sure to smash the like button. Also, if you're new here and for some reason you still haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.